Yeah, let's start the debate. And the debate is going to be with the things. As we said, the online members will start. Please go ahead.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
My name is Kameshwari. I support for offline, sir.
Okay.
Good evening, sir. My name is Srinivas. I supporting offline, sir.
Okay. So once you say, so you have to just proceed with the offline or online, and then you can go ahead. Yeah, please go ahead with your point as well, instead of just saying online or offline, because already I have told you the thing.
Good evening, sir. I supported offline, sir.
Good evening, sir. This is Samir Ali. I support offline classes.
So listen the instruction. Just follow with the line. So if you are supporting offline, then you have to speak about that, as the debate is open to offline and online. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. My name is Ram Raju. I am supporting to online.
Yes, good evening, everyone.
Go ahead, Ram Raju.
Yeah. Good evening, guys. My name is Ram Raju. I'm supporting to online. Yeah. Nowadays we all are using for online shopping and everything. We are using online shopping. And if you take any this online shopping.
Yadagiri, please mute yourself. Go ahead.
Sir, voice is not audible.
My voice is not audible.
Yeah, you are audible. Go ahead.
Yeah, now okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, I'm going to tell about this online related online. Now we are using, every person I think using online only, shopping or education or everything. We are giving preference to do in online only. Why? Because we are saving time, and as well as now the pandemic situation, we all are give preference to only online. That office doing job also, that meetings, conducting of meetings, everything we are doing in online. And coming to the school related activities, school and colleges, they are teaching in online. Why? Because this time actually the government is also restricted some in last 6 months back. The government also restricted the activities like manual activities. Going to school, this all are restricted. So that time this online is this online is helpful to all of us, because doing job in work from home like that. And coming to students, they are all attended in online classes through online. And we are doing shopping in online. Why? Because the shops outside of the shops all are closed due to this pandemic situation. We are all done the shopping and everything we need of our daily needs also we are getting from this online only. Now
Ram Raju, yeah, please, I want someone to tackle the point. Yeah, thank you, Ram Raju. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
And while if you're speaking, so you have to unmute your video as well as your mic. This is a humble request from everyone if you're speaking. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, good evening, I'm Kiran Kumar Reddy. Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, Kiran.
Yeah, supporting online process, online, sir. Yeah, nowadays many of the members using online systems, they save many time, and so many of the members can shopping and cashless transaction in banks, and also booking online booking, and many of the things are in online systems. And also job searches like Naukari.com, and many of the applications are doing Yes, and also cashless transaction like Paytm, Phone Pay, Google Pay, and many transactions will be held on online, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, you can.
Good evening,
Yeah, as it
everyone.
is
My name is Kash.
open.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kash Reddy. I supported online, sir. Why I supported online? Presently, I am using only Zoom meeting. It is also online. In pandemic situation, lot of members are using online, sir. It is easy to carry any item, sir. Thank you.
No, it is to communicate in any one person. Facility.
Tell me, Shiva.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can carry.
Go ahead.
So say, as it is open to all, you have to go ahead. No need to wait for anyone. Go ahead.
Good evening to all. Online better than to offline. I think offline shopping also good thing actually, because of offline shopping, any clothes, and we can see quality of cloth. We can try size of dresses, all things. Offline is better, I think.
Okay, sir. I go for
In
offline,
online
sir.
also, in online also we have that size measurements,
Hello,
everything
sir.
in online also available.
Sir,
Yeah, now I want, go ahead. Now I want someone to speak from offline. Who is going to go with? I want someone to speak for offline. Yeah, Uma, go ahead.
Go for offline, sir.
Yes. So only the
today's
offline
topic
members, not the. Go ahead. Yeah.
offline and online. I
Mhm.
think offline is better
Okay.
because in offline classes, if we have any doubt, if direct we ask to teacher, then the teacher tell very clarity, so we will understand. And next,
Yes.
in shopping also, as one sister said that if we have any damages also, we can see there only. That's my
Mhm.
opinion. That's why offline is better than online.
Okay. Yeah, Shravani, go
In
ahead.
online,
For example, education field also offline is better, sir. More people and more friends. Chat with lunchtime. Enjoy with the environment. Focus on
Okay.
studies. So many things we are happen.
Mhm.
I think sir, because
Mhm.
going to shopping with family and find a good bonding of relations.
Mhm.
Directly see what you want the requirement in online, offline. Sorry, online is very good. Provide best qualities, but some villages are not available internets and online services.
Good quality.
So offline, I think offline is better.
If you have any doubt,
Offline is more interaction to another person, friends.
Yeah, one small instruction to everyone, as it is open to all, so don't wait for your chance to come. So even though if you raise your hand, so it doesn't mean that the other person may or may not give you the chance. Okay. So just speak, yeah, Kashi or Savani or anyone.
Hello. Sir. Hello.
Yeah,
Sir,
go
can
ahead.
we continue that debate?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. You can. Anyone can take the
Actually,
chance.
if you take IRCTC, the ticket booking, any maximum number of people now all are taking in online only. Why? Because if you want to take offline ticket, you have to go that IRCTC counter and you have to wait 2 to 3 hours, and you are wasting so much of time. If you take online, then you can take direct login ID, and you have not wait to anywhere. You have to take direct from your mobile only. So that is the one of the benefits for online. As coming to the shopping, here are sizes, damages, everything we are saying, but actually in return policy is also there. If you want not satisfactory with that product, you can send back to the seller, and you get a new product also. And also education. Actually, this is if we not switch on to online, in these 2 years, the so many students are lost their studies. Why? Because the schools is closed. So if we not get online, uh, they all are lost their studies. So this is the benefits of online. And if you want to go any shopping mall with family, you have to go take bike, this traffic, you want to go this taking cab or everything, they are wasting so much money. So if you take online, if you want anything, you have to get in online directly without going to shopping or anything, without wasting. Here online shopping, you are getting discounts also, so much of discount, so much of money you are saving. If you go to shop, the product will they have no discounts. This is also benefit of online. And also, if you take present this debate, this is not possible to attend in this time in this spoken English class. But due to online only, I'm attending the class. Otherwise, I am in this time I have in office. So this 1 hour I will.
Yeah, but one thing as Ramaraju, most of the participants are the offline participants, I guess.
No, sir. I support online, sir.
Okay. No, as
Sir,
a
if you take this
participant,
situation, I have unable to attend this 4 to 5 class. Because why? Because actually my office is up to 5:30. So this online benefit only I am attending this class, managing this 1 hour, and I am attending this debate. This is benefit for us.
Okay. Yeah. Offline,
Okay,
any
brother,
person
I
for.
agree.
Yeah.
Okay,
Go
brother,
ahead. Go ahead.
I agree with that. But online is some voice are not getting properly. That's why offline we are. If you offline direct, we can listen properly. Students also offline directly we can. Actually, teacher says some classes, but online students are not listening properly because of students some taking care of mother and father online. If you offline, we can proper teacher can say properly which candidates are not listening. Everything also teacher can say, no. That's why I'm going to go with offline better. Online better than to offline.
Yes, sir. I'm support offline, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
So as we have 10 more minutes, so you can utilize your time.
Sir, I support online. Why? Because the online classes are presently running. The online classes are running. It recorded sections are in online. not offline classes are not recorded. It is used to a number of times. In the offline time, only once time it listens, sir.
Mhm.
Yeah.
If
I
you
said,
actually
want
if
to
you
ask-
That's why I supported online.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Any doubts are clearing?
Sir, if
Go ahead,
you
go
have
ahead,
any
sir.
doubt in online,
office
sir, if you have any doubt in
office
online,
meetings.
you write the question, sir.
Sir, nowadays, lot of people using only online, sir. Due to
Mhm.
pandemic
Sir,
situation.
it's better from tomorrow. You everyone
Not
can
only-
attend online. Even my burden will decrease.
Okay.
No, sir.
Sir,
This is only
sir,
this online is only from 4 to 5 hours only. 4 to 5 o'clock only. After that, we are switch on to offline.
Okay,
Online
good.
is
Yeah.
the
Actually,
Sir,
if you take
Offline better
office
than
meetings related
communicate
office meetings,
with persons,
Yeah.
Mhm.
practice it, discuss friends.
Yeah.
That's why I'm
Online is,
supporting offline, sir.
sir, online is better time management and skills development.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now,
you are supporting
offices,
yeah,
who are
Venkat. Yeah, go ahead,
supporting
Ramesh.
offline, they are not updated version, sir. I think so.
Mhm.
Why? Because nowadays globalization are happening. Okay, that's why we are most of the multinational companies are working online only. Okay, whatever jobs they provide, they're working for other countries. And some of them says offline any purchases, is there any damages? There is no problem, sir. We have a
And
written policy.
sorry to inform you, we are running out of time and 3 more minutes are left. So you can
Yes, sir.
go ahead.
and if you
Yes, sir.
take office meetings,
I
if
can speak,
they
sir.
conduct any meeting or conference, if they will offline, they will come from all different countries. They are operating business. If they want to meet, then they will come from all of countries and they will meet. This is the lot of amount money wastage. So if you take Zoom meeting, some online meeting, they all are connected from their places only. So you have saved the money and time also. This is the reason we are giving the most preference to online related activities.
Very nice. And now in the last round, I want those has to speak who has not spoken yet. Yeah, so only
Yes.
the chance goes to them. Yeah, please go ahead. Shravani, Yadagiri, Uday, and who else? Samir. Go ahead. Yeah.
I can speak.
Yes, sir.
Online is there, but distracted every time, and they disturbed. Don't be interaction also lost. Mentoring.
Hello.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah,
disturbance
go
is
ahead,
coming.
Yadagiri. Obviously, Yadagiri wants to speak. Yeah, go ahead, Yadagiri.
Hello. Hello. Good evening, all. Hello.
Sir, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, you are audible.
Sir, my
Yeah,
Tell me,
your
tell me,
voice
bro.
is
Sir.
audible.
Sir, I supported in offline and online, sir. I give two examples on offline and online, sir. One example, education purpose all main important offline education, sir. Hyderabad citizen offline or online available, sir. So, but villages not available online, sir. Only offline education available, sir. And offline, online means any shopping, online transaction, bank transaction, easy, sir. Easy, only easy. So offline shopping, offline shopping, but physically item checked, MRP checked, so expiry checked, food or non-food, any items, sir. So better offline important, sir.
Okay, good. So now,
Yes, sir.
Uday and Samir.
Sir, I am supporting
Good for
online,
it.
sir, because nowadays corona situation is very bad, sir, and online shopping also better than offline.
Mhm. Okay, yeah, Samir, go ahead. After that, yeah, Shiva, you will.
Yes, sir.
Good for study offline, sir. The main advantage of offline study is that develop more the method that online study.
Okay. Venkatesh, you are waiting from the past 40 minutes, not speaking at all, anything.
But I agree with someone, sir, Ramaraju brother. But online classes have so many problems. Kids are not understanding the online classes. So that's why I'm not supporting
In
the
favor
online.
of. Okay.
In online class,
your English class.
hello.
Yeah, 2 more minutes are left.
In online classes, you choose best teacher, sir. In offline class, only
Yeah, online classes is.
If you go
But
to
kids
if
are
you
not
want to
understanding the
go
online classes. So many problems, issues.
Yeah, okay,
So,
right.
so many parents
I
are
agree that.
complaining to their principals. My child is not understanding the lesson. So what happened, madam?
sir, I'm
So
telling
this
one
is
tower
so many issues are there.
tower to offline. If you want to visit any city or any place or any enjoying any area, online is not possible. Why? Because offline only we have to enjoy. Visiting of your favorite places or any persons we have to meet. That time compulsory we have prefer only offline. Why? Because we are not enjoying seeing that video places in video. But if you want to feel, we will go that with that area. We will enjoy. That is offline.
Very nice. And as here we stop because 1 more minute is left. Okay. Sorry to interrupt everyone. Okay. And yeah, in the next week, definitely I'll give you chance. Yeah, please mute yourself, everyone. Yeah, please mute Shiva. So well done. As I hope like everyone has enjoyed, but even like there are many who have not attended the class as well, like from the evening batches and even from the morning batches. I know that everyone is very busy, whereas like at least they should have given their presence. And thanks a lot for joining us. And in the same way, like we'll continue our sessions in our offline classes as well. Okay. So even though I won't say either online is better or offline is better, it depends on the scenario. It's always, and as you are better informed about that. Okay. So thanks a lot, everyone, and have a great day.
After 5 o'clock, we have better to offline.
Obviously, yes. So thank you, everyone, and we'll meet in our offline class, obviously on Monday. So all the very best as we'll celebrate our Teachers' Day on every Monday. As you know, what is the Teachers' Day? Okay. So all the very best. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.